Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in a 2015 Audi Q5. Came with non-MMI screen. That's where we put the camera. Basically, it replaced the trunk handle mount, and the camera is built into the trunk handle mount, and same as factory Audi camera. I'm gonna explain all the features and the screen that we put in the car. So basically, this is an Audi Q5 that it comes with non-MMI internal command center. As you can see, there is no MMI here. The MMI is right on the console. Used to have this 7-inch screen installed in a car, so we remove this screen. Also, we remove this bracket that the hazard light is there too. And as I show you before, that's the camera trunk handle that we took it out and we installed our camera. And also here it used to be a vent, basically useless vent, so we took it out and we installed this controller, which it comes with a knob to control the unit with the back button and navi button. Okay, so right now this is the look of the unit. As you can see, it's a 10.25-inch screen. It comes with the bracket. You see it's fully flash mount to the dash without any gap. The hazard light, we relocated the mounting. As you can check it on our website, you can see the mounting comes with the hazard light. It's all plug and play, no need to do any modification. So I just go to the main menu. So this is the aftermarket menu. You still can use the factory internal MMI. By moving the knob, you can change all this feature. You can go back to the original Audi menu. I'm going back to the original MMI. Again, as you can see, everything is same as factory. Nothing is changed. You can still use all the knobs on internal MMI. All these knobs, FM, AM, satellite radio, media or phone, everything works same as the way that it used to work. Just by touching the screen, you go to the aftermarket menu. That's the look of the aftermarket menu. It gives you some cool features that we're gonna go through it together. Right now I want to show you the reverse camera, which is the most safety feature that most of these Audis, unfortunately, they're missing this backup camera. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera. It comes with dynamic parking guidelines and the PDC, and if the car comes with the factory backup sensor or front sensors, it retains them too. This car doesn't come with them. So as you can see, when I turn the steering wheel, by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guideline turns to and gives you the right direction, and you can see the edge of the bumper perfectly fine too. By going back to park, it goes back to the factory MMI. As I said, again, by touching the screen, it goes to the aftermarket mode. You can go back to original by clicking on that Audi logo. All I'm controlling right now, I'm controlling it by this knob here. So by turning this knob, all these UI, the menu for the UI is changed. And also by tabbing on the knob, I can choose whatever app I want to use. Okay, so right now I'm showing you this is the application. Basically by clicking on that, it gives you all the nice applications like Google Maps. You can use Google Maps. You can download Waze or any other apps you like. It comes with the offline map for US and Canada that we already installed it on the same unit. It's on this second page. It's right here. We install iGo for Android. You can mirror link your phone to the same screen through the USB. We run one USB in the glove box, which is right here. You can play media, you can play basically videos or songs. And this is the AMI media player in Audi. Usually it comes with this iPhone connection, which is really like old type of iPhone connection. To be able to have the sound through our aftermarket, you need to change that AMI to the one that it activates the auxiliary in the car, which is this mini jack look auxiliary. And you don't need to connect anything to it, you can just leave it inside the glove box. You can go to Play Store, as I said, download any other apps you like, and you can basically scroll left, right, and choose any apps that you like to use. The other cool feature on this unit is OBD reader. Basically it reads the RPM, it shows if the handbrake is on or not. Right now I'm doing the handbrake, so handbrake it goes red, which shows the handbrake is pulled up. Right now it's released. Seat belt is not done. Temperature outside, and it shows the speed. Also, if the door of the car is open, it shows the door is open, closed, and if the lights, the headlights are on, it shows the headlights are on too. Also at the bottom it shows what radio channel right now is playing. By adding that auxiliary, basically you can use two different type of Bluetooth. One is your original Bluetooth from Audi, or you can use the aftermarket Bluetooth. When you do the aftermarket Bluetooth, by going to media, you can have the sound through the speakers of the car. So right now I'm playing Spotify from my phone wirelessly. I'm playing Linkin Park, and right now we have the sound through the auxiliary. If I go back to the factory menu, you will see that I'm on media and I'm on auxiliary. That's how I can have the Bluetooth music streaming. Yeah, so these are the basically the options that you get with this aftermarket unit. Right now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi too. We are connected to the Wi-Fi in the office, but you can do hotspot from your phone to the same screen. Also it reads some again OBD information, the kilometers on your car, temperature, and also it shows the speed of the car. It shows the date and the time is there. Basically that's all you need to know about this unit. It's a great feature, it's a great look to your Audi. You can order them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call if you have any questions. We do support basically like Eastern time from 10 to 5. If during installation, if your installer or yourself you have any questions, we can help you. Basically these are the differences between our unit and our company and other companies. It's all about technical support and after sales support, so feel free to give us a call. We are here to help. Thank you and have a great day. Also, I forgot to show you the another cool feature in this unit, which is USB that we put in the glove box. You can play songs and also videos through that USB. and it's full screen.